Hello, Vinita ma'am. Hello, Vinita ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, Vinita ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the meeting is live on.
Okay, I'm starting then.
Sure, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the webinar on revisiting well-being during lockdown, organized by the IQAC of Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College. On behalf of IQAC, I welcome our guest speaker, Professor N.K. Chadda, Chairperson, Doctoral Programs and Dean International Relations at Manav Rachna International University, and the former Head and Dean, Department of Psychology, University of Delhi. Sir, we are really honored to have you with us and glad that you took out time for us to conduct the webinar on such a relevant and pertinent topic, as nowadays, most of us are facing stress because of the prolonged lockdown. Now I invite the principal of the college, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha, under whose able guidance and motivation, we were able to host numerous webinars in the lockdown period, and we are also organizing a FDP from 5th to 11th June on research methodology, tools and techniques in collaboration with TLC Ramanujan College. I call upon our principal to welcome the guest and say a few words of encouragement.
Thank you, Vinita. Hello.
Hello, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Good morning to all. Respected Professor N.K. Chadda, today's guest speaker for this webinar, Dr. Vinita Tuli, convener, webinar committee, and all the participants. On behalf of the Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, it is immense pleasure for me to welcome Professor Chadda in this webinar and all the participants in this meeting. I am grateful to Professor Chadda, who has given his valuable time for delivering his lecture on revisiting well-being during lockdown. In fact, these days of crisis, we all are facing some mental problem, mental agony, tension, depression, and all. And it's a time of requirement that we should revisit the challenges of time, that what we are facing or how to face. So I think Professor Chadda's lecture will be a great help for all of us. Once again, I welcome Professor Chadda and all the participants, and I congratulate my webinar team for organizing such a wonderful session for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Professor N.K. Chadda is a professor and Dean International Relations and Chairperson of Council for Doctoral Programs at Manav Rachna International University. He is the former professor and head Department of Psychology, University of Delhi, former director and head Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension, and chairman Board of Research Studies in Humanities and Social Sciences, University of Delhi. For 5 consecutive years, he was the panel of judge for Prime Minister's Trophy for the Steel Industry and the task force member of Performance Management Division of Cabinet, Secretariat, Government of India. He was a senior consultant to UNDP on career development. Professor Chadda has been teaching in the Department of Psychology University of Delhi since 1982. He has authored several books which are used as textbooks in many universities in India and abroad at undergraduate and postgraduate and at research level. He has published more than 120 articles in various scientific, national, and international journals. He is on the management bodies of many institutes in India and abroad. He was invited by the UN to attend experts group meeting held in UN headquarters on family issues. He is one of the leading psychometrician in India, and his book on applied psychometry is widely used by the students and practitioners. Professor Chadha is the president of Indian Career Development Association and also the president of the Indian Association of Positive Psychology. He is also the former president of the Asia Pacific Career Development Association, Maryland, USA. Recently, Professor Chadha has been awarded the National Career Development Association USA Presidential Award in 2017 at Orlando, USA, and Global Practitioner of the Year in 2015. And he has been also awarded the Lifetime Achievement by the Asia Pacific Career Development Association in 2019 in Vietnam. Recently, he has taken the responsibility of President, International Career Coach Association, USA. Again, I welcome you, sir, and invite you to deliver your lecture on revisiting well-being during lockdown.
Thank you. First of all, let me extend my thanks to Dr. Jha, the principal of ARST College, and Vinita Tully for giving a very long introduction, which made me scared after getting that long introduction, and also really thankful to the organizer, the Anupriya and Baljit, for inviting me to be with you this morning to share some of my thoughts. You know, whenever you get such a long introduction, really you feel little uncomfortable and insecure, because that introduction basically raises the expectation of the participants to a high level. And it becomes a challenge for any speaker to come to that expectations. And that might be the purpose, I think, in Vinita's mind for giving that kind of introduction. I will try to justify whatever she narrated about me. But most important is that I'm one of you. I've worked for about 38 years in Delhi University. And then after retiring from Delhi University Psychology Department, then I moved to Manav Rachna. But still my heart and soul obviously is in Delhi University. Whenever any invitation comes from Delhi University, from any colleague or any college, you know, I feel I'm returning back to my home. And that is my feeling today at this moment. And the topic which I will be talking, revisiting well-being, rightly said by Dr. Jha, this is the need of the hour. Because mental health is one of the most important. That doesn't mean physical health is not important. Physical health is also equally important. But mental health and physical health are interconnected. But the difference between the both is that if the physical health is going down, you can perceive it. You can see from the outside. Anybody can observe. Anybody can observe from your walking, your limping of leg, or limping of your arm, shaking of your hand. So there are some visual signs which one can see. A little alertness one can find out. But mental health is inside the person, and it's not that easy to perceive the mental health. The best person to perceive the mental health, that is the person himself or herself, not the other person. Other person can make guess. That may be right, may not be right. But accuracy of the assessment or judgment, I think, best can be conceived. It's not I'm saying there are research, there are evidence, empirical evidence across the globe that can be only pursued by the person by little introspection and little alertness. But at the same time, my dear colleagues and friends and listeners, let me share with you, there is a large amount of denial among the people who have the mental health problems. जब भी आप उनसे पूछेंगे किसी मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम के बारे में, you will find they will deny very forcefully. और जितनी फोर्सफुली वो डिनाई करें आपको, that's basically indicator, for we psychology take that indicator, that person means that person is feeling that mental health problem and to a very high intensity and frequency. आपने दोस्त से पूछा, फ्रेंड से पूछा, ये ऐसा लग रहा है आज तुम्हारा मूड ठीक नहीं है, there is something wrong in your mood. There too possibly वाकई there is something wrong in the mood हो सकता है, और ये भी हो सकता है कि वो आपको शेयर नहीं करना चाहता, बताना नहीं चाहता. और ये थर्ड perspective, there is third perspective also. The person who is asking you, it seems your mood is not okay today, there must be something wrong with him. अगर आप में नहीं है तो, if there is nothing wrong in you, so somebody asks you, और आप में कोई ऐसे, you are normal, nothing happened, you are not feeling low at all, but he or she is asking you, नहीं, डॉक्टर चड्डा लग रहा है आप में कुछ आज कुछ वो नहीं लग रहा, कुछ दम नहीं है उसके, there is something wrong. Let me tell you, my friend, ऐसा है तो इसका मतलब that person have something wrong, he wants your intervention in that case. तो सबसे पहले तो हमें ये देखना है कि डिनायल मोड से हमें बाहर निकल, वी हैव टू कम आउट फ्रॉम द डिनायल मोड. हमें डिनाई नहीं करना, अगर है तो कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, उसको फेस करेंगे. जस्ट गिव मी मोमेंट, लेट मी ट्राई माय PPT I want to bring over here. It's saying कि host at disabled participant screen sharing, so I can share.
Just a minute.
Yeah, please.
Sir, now it is okay. You may try.
I hope you can see my screen now, right? Can you see my screen? Hello? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Now.
Okay. Good. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Let me see part 1 is coming out. Just for a moment. Okay. So, what I was saying, that there is a large amount of denial by a person who experience. सबसे पहले तो हमें एक, we have to come to a kind of consensus that we have not to deny. अगर है तो उसको accept करेंगे. It's very simple. It's simple in the sense that suppose you have you have fever. When you have a fever, you go to the general physician. This is globally, everywhere. People first of all will go to the general physician. A general physician gives medicine for 3 days. Normally, take this medicine for 3 days: morning, evening, afternoon, morning, afternoon, evening. And ask you, 3 दिन के बाद आप मुझे फिर दिखाने के लिए आइएगा. Please, you do come and show me. You like a obedient child. You say yes, doctor, I will come. What happened? You have taken first 3 days dose. Problem solve हो गया आपका fever चला गया पहले दिन 3 डोज खाने से. अब क्या हुआ? What happened to the 4th number dose the next day? You generally don't take. Generally you don't take. Sometimes you take it, but definitely 5th, 6th, 7th you don't take it. And you don't go to the doctor also. You made a promise you will go, but you don't go to the doctor. आप भूल जाते हैं. क्यों भूल जाते हैं? इसलिए आपको नीड नहीं है. आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो चुका है. But suppose the problem continue, then what you do? 3rd day again you go to the doctor. A doctor check. You again repeat a medicine by changing 1 or 2 capsules और टेबलेट से रह दिया, 3 दिन का और मेडिसिन दिया, 3 दिन के बाद दे रहे हैं, 6 दिन का मेडिसिन खाने के बाद भी आपका प्रॉब्लम वहीं का वहीं है। यू गो टू द डॉक्टर, अब क्या करता है डॉक्टर, आपको मेडिसिन नहीं देता, वो आपको एक स्लिप देता है, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिखकर देता है कि ये फॉलोइंग ये वाले टेस्ट आप 4 टेस्ट करवा कर लाइएगा, ब्लड टेस्ट, शुगर, कल्चर, व्हाटएवर व्हाट ही थिंक्स। दिस इज यूनिवर्सली, एवरी फिजिशियन विल डू द सेम थिंग। आप लैब में जाते हैं, टेस्ट करवाते हैं, टेस्ट करवाने के बाद रिपोर्ट लेकर आते हैं, आप 4 रिपोर्ट देखते हैं, 4 टेस्ट करवाए, ऑल द 4 रिपोर्ट्स आर नेगेटिव। You are not happy inside, you are not happy because your problem still persists, but report says nothing. You go to the doctor, doctor is also not happy. Suppose one of the report is positive, 3 are negative. When you go to the doctor, no, doctor is very happy to see that report. You know why he is happy? Because अभी तक डॉक्टर क्या कर रहा था, 6 दिन से हिट एंड ट्रायल कर रहा था। अब उसको पता लगा प्रॉब्लम यहां पर है, यहां से प्रॉब्लम है जिसको मैंने पकड़ना है। ओके, देन he starts medicine accordingly, whatever you know, start the intervention and help you to get cure. Similarly over here, please, mental health problem भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जिसको एक्सटर्नल मैंने कहा nobody can detect it, internally you can detect it, and keep a watch. If you agree with me, then what I'm going to do next now, from here onward, I'm going to talk 2 very important mental health, very common mental health problems, that is anxiety and depression. Anxiety basically comes from the worries. Worries are normal daily life worry. But when the worry continued for a longer time, repeatedly, then it takes the shape of a anxiety. It got crystallized in our mindset. हमारे माइंड में बैठ जाती है, क्रिस्टलाइज कर जाती है। और अगर वो एंजाइटी क्रिस्टलाइज करती है हमारे, then this anxiety will lead us to the stage of stress. Just so you also talk about stress, and which takes the shape of a burnout. Burnout is a stage, last stage of stress. Burnout is that where person lose all interest. उसको ना अपनी स्पाउस वाइफ में, हस्बैंड में नहीं, बच्चे में नहीं, माँ बाप में नहीं, किसी भी चीज, स्टूडेंट में नहीं, पढ़ाई में नहीं, जो भी चीज he used to love it, no, have no interest in that. That is stage of depersonalized, exhausted. That is stage of burnout. And then there is a withdrawal will start. When withdrawal will start, the person lead to the depression stage. And ultimately, in some cases, a large number of cases, not in few cases, it happens, will lead to the suicidal tendency or committing suicide also. Because mental health balance has changed. So what I will do, first of all, I'm going to discuss with you some of the very, very common, I'm not going to give you very technical, very, very common, the symptoms of anxiety. अब थोड़ा सा ध्यान देके you can learn it. You can see, not in you, you can also see, it will help you seeing your family member also. At home, the kids, the spouse, the friends, it can help you in that fashion. Once you understand the symptoms, then I will be providing you coping mechanism. Again, a very simple kind of which you can manage coping mechanism. And then similarly, we'll talk about depression and give it coping mechanisms. So first of all, I will talk about the symptoms of anxiety. There are various symptoms. Largely, I have listed very simple, which are very important. 15 symptoms of anxiety. First, breathlessness. It was not there. It was not earlier there. No. Don't think breathlessness is only a sign of COVID-19. This is also one of the symptoms of COVID also, 19. No, no, no. Please, let's not go to that. Let's not jump to that. Not to get scared with that. I know, article, if you open the media, you open any channel, any damn channel, you'll find always you're talking all the time. Nonsense kind of, I would say, symptoms of COVID-19. And not differentiating what are symptoms will lead to COVID, to stage of COVID-19, what are not the COVID-19, but are the simple anxiety. It's a breathlessness. It was not earlier. When you start feeling breathlessness after doing little activity, then irritability. You are very cool kind of person, very calm kind of person. Irritability. गुस्सा आता है थोड़ी थोड़ी बात पर। घर में थोड़ा सा भी काम किसी ने कर दिया, वाइफ ने कर दिया, हस्बैंड ने कर दिया, बच्चे ने कर दिया, बच्चे ने कर दिया, इतना कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन अब गुस्सा, इरिटेबिलिटी हैज इंक्रीज. It increases in intensity and the frequency. You have to see the intensity and the frequency, and that is I call it a FIT model. FIT, frequency, intensity and duration. अगर आपकी frequency बढ़ गई, intensity बढ़ गई और duration भी उसका going longer and longer, 3 minutes to 5 minutes to 10 minutes, you see the how longer it irritability stay. काम हो गया, गुस्सा आया उसके ऊपर, उसके बाद फिर वो चीज खत्म हो चुकी है, लेकिन आई एम स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग विद दैट बबलिंग इनसाइड. So that stage of reaction too often. अभी चीज सामने आई नहीं है, we start reacting. Proactive is a good habit, but not proactive of the reaction when you start reacting so fast. So third symptom, reaction. Fourth, finding difficulty in relaxing. You don't find it's a time to relax, it's time to take breakfast or lunch with the family or yourself, whatever. But you're not enjoying that also, because something is going on, keep on going repeatedly, and that's increasing. This is another symptom of anxiety getting crystallized. Dry mouth. थोड़ी थोड़ी देर के बाद आपका माउथ जो है, गला सूख रहा है, it's getting dry. आपने भी थोड़ी देर पहले चाय पिया, कॉफी पिया या पानी पिया, लेकिन फिर 5-10-15 मिनट के आधे घंटे फिर सूख गया, again and again, and it's increasing the dryness in the mouth. And then frequent urination. You go to urination very frequently. Yeah, one morning if you got up and you're taken the watermelon, or you are taken the coconut water, obviously the frequency of going to urination will be little more than that, normal. But if the frequency has increased beyond what is expected, or you have not taken these things, and then अगर आपने इसलिए एग्जांपल दिया, अगर आपने ये खाया तो थोड़ा सा उसके अंदर उसको एंजाइटी मत ले लीजिएगा, उसके बाद इसकी फ्रिक्वेंसी उसको लेने के बाद आगे इतनी बार नहीं जाते थे, अब फ्रिक्वेंसी आपकी इंटेंसिटी बढ़ चुकी है. So breathlessness, irritability, reaction too often, finding difficulty in relaxing, dry mouth, frequent urination. I think you can identify, not in you can also identify with your fellow family members also, fellow friend also, who are in front of you. Pay little attention. Then seven, shaking of hands. Your hands are shaking.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I think your PPT is freezed, and you just need to click on the enable editing button on the top of your PPT.
It's coming, I think.
But it is not showing us. Anuprimam, are you listening?
My side is moving. Let me check
Anupam,
again.
can you see the slide?
Anybody else can see my PPT?
Actually, we are able to see the first page of the PPT only.
Oh, I moved to.
Now we
Can
can
you
see-
see it now? Can you see it now?
Sir, yes, sir. It's now symptoms of anxiety. We can see it.
It is
Okay.
again the first page of the PPT. You need to click on the enable editing banner on the PPT.
Now we can see the PPT, symptoms of anxiety.
I think no, it's visible, right?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
be?
Yeah, visible.
Can you say
Yeah, visible.
symptoms of anxiety also?
Yeah, visible.
Okay, what I have done, I have instead of slideshow, I've just moved to the PPT. Otherwise, slideshow was not. Let me see the next one. Can you see next one? Tell me. Can you see next?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now.
No, you can see. Okay, clear.
Yes.
So I will move this fashion. I change my side. Okay, clear.
Yeah, visible.
Okay.
Fine.
After this, okay. Again, I'm repeating the 6 symptoms which I've discussed at length: breathlessness, irritability, reaction too often, finding difficulty in relaxing, dry mouth, and frequent urination. Okay. Then next symptom I was talking, where Dr. Jha, somebody told me my PPT are not with shaking of hands. Your hands are shaking. You find there's some movements going on, not only hands. Sometimes it happens in the case of the eye are not concentrated, your eyes are not getting concentrated at one point. You find difficult to see towards the other person, have making an eye to eye contact. That's again a sign. Butterfly in your stomach is another you feel. So that's these are the feeling, but the person himself is the best judge rather than the external person, because these are the mental symptoms. Then sleep disturbances. Sleep disturbance does not mean decrease of the sleep. It could be increase of the sleep pattern. You sleep much more than what you used to sleep. You used to sleep 8 hours. No, it has reduced to 6 hours or 5 hours, or moved to 10 hours. It can be both ways. It happens with individual to individual. But both are the signs of anxiety. Then feeling of being powerless, losing control. You feel there's no control. There's no powers. Which you used to enjoy. It's gone somewhere. Where it's gone, you can't identify where to move. But it's moved from you. The 11th one, low energy headache, mild and continuous headache. Not a very severe but very mild kind of meetha, or continuously, not in one part of the head, but spread across your head. You find it's continuously going. So that's again a symptom of your anxiety. 12th, upset stomach, including diarrhea and vomit. So you have diarrhea, frequency, intensity is increasing, and you vomit. Even you've taken one of the most balanced and good food, still you find no reason, no cause behind it. And other members have taken same food maybe, but a person starts feeling vomiting, maybe vomiting, maybe just having a feel of, मुझे vomit होने की feeling हो रही है. That's also symptom. It's not coming only. So the 12th number symptom, then loss or increase of the appetite, reduce your appetite, or increase quantity, you have increased a lot, or fatigue, increase in the frequency of the fatigue, and last, loss interest in lovable. The person who used to be very lovable to you, you are very fond of them, your relative, your friend, your colleague, or student, whatever, no, you're losing interest, you're not concerned for that. These are the 15 symptoms. This is checklist which I've given you basically. If you identify these symptoms, it could be one, if it's all 15, obviously that's extreme case of crystallized anxiety. That's extreme case of your mental imbalance, which you need to see it very seriously. Maybe you require that time. I wish that this situation should not come with any one of us. But it just is a checklist. If you can identify, don't deny. Again, I'm repeating the word. Please, let's take decision not to deny it. Denial is a very dangerous thing. How to know that you have an anxiety attack? So there are 6 points. The moment you see these 6 points, sweating, trembling, shortness of breath, choking sensation, chest pain, dizziness. If you have these symptoms, you experience these symptoms, that's indication of there's an anxiety attack. इसे ये घंटी अलार्म है आपके आगे, घंटी बज रही है. अब इसके लिए क्या करना है वो भी हम बात करेंगे अभी थोड़ी देर में, पर पहले इसको let's start recognizing it's there. So sweating, trembling, shortness of breath, choking sensation, chest pain, and dizziness. So these are the symptoms, and 15 I have discussed with you, plus I have discussed you under anxiety attack, but very frequent attack of anxiety is there. Then it's a time to find solution for that. Try to help yourself, take someone else, or maybe professional help. It depends, what's required. From here, I will move to symptoms of depression. Largely the symptoms which I have discussed in the anxiety, they are prevalent in the depression also. As I told you, from anxiety you move to the stress and burnout stage, and then withdrawal of depression. And the most significant symptoms in depression are feeling low, sadness, Reason for feeling low or sadness, you don't know. You don't know the reasons, but you're feeling low. Why you're feeling low? Can't identify. If you can identify feeling low, then that's not a symptom of depression. But when you can't identify the feeling low the symptom or sadness symptom, that's indicator of your depression. Start losing interest in and about things which one used to like. So say for example a hobby. You had a great hobby for something. You love it. You die for that hobby. लेकिन अब उस hobby में interest ही नहीं है. So when you lose interest on those interests in or about those things which you used to love it, that's a symptom of your depression. Crying, not only actual crying, it's a feeling of crying or actual crying, that's a symptom of you sit alone, sitting in a corner on a sofa or a table or a bed and then रोने का मन कर रहा है या tears आने शुरू हो गए. That's a symptom of depression. Difficulty in concentration, reading, music and forgetting, short term memory. अभी क्या बात हुआ, थोड़ी देर पहले किसी से फोन पर बात हुआ. नॉर्मल वे में कई बार हम भूल जाते हैं किससे बात हुआ थोड़ी देर, उसको आप डिप्रेशन मत लीजिए. अगर इसकी इंटेंसिटी और फ्रीक्वेंसी, अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, अगर इसकी इंटेंसिटी, फ्रीक्वेंसी और ड्यूरेशन, टाइम अगर इंक्रीज हो रहा है, आपको लग रहा है बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, बहुत जल्दी भूल रहा हूं, अभी भूल गया, थोड़ी देर कल भी भूल गया था, सुबह भूल गया, थोड़ी देर, तो इसका मतलब दैट्स अ सिम्पटम ऑफ योर डिप्रेशन. Not able to think rationally, objectively. Your thought is not very rational, logical. It's not driving from any kind of logical sequence. There is lack of objectivity in that. That's again a sign, another symptom of depression. Sorry. Fifth one, nothing left in life, hopelessness. कोविड-19 आ गया, स्प्रेड हो रहा है दुनिया में, पूरे पेंडेमिक निकली पूरी जैसे इंक्रीज हो रहा है. इंडिया में तो अब मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है बहुत ज्यादा. क्या बचा लाइफ में, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. दैट्स एंजाइटी. वरी इज ए थॉट, बट इफ दैट वरी कंटिन्यूड, इस एंजाइटी, दैट इज नथिंग लेफ्ट इन लाइफ, होपलेसनेस. डेथ विशेस कम्स, स्टार्ट विशिंग, स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग. देखा वो दुनिया से चला गया, कितना अच्छा हुआ है, उसको ये तो नहीं भुगतना पड़ेगा जो मैं भुगत रहा हूँ. दैट्स अ डेथ विश. डेथ विश doesn't mean कि डेथ के लिए यू आर डिमांडिंग इट. इट्स टू कंपेयरिंग विद थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग. अच्छे टाइम पर दुनिया से चला गया, ये तो नहीं भुगतना पड़ा जो मैं भुगत रहा हूँ आज, मैं देख रहा हूँ. दैट्स अ डेथ विश. ट्रबल फोकसिंग इवन ऑन सिंपल थिंग्स. सिंपल थिंग्स, वेरी इजी, वेरी trivial things, but trouble focusing on those things, again other symptom of depression. Craving or increase for unhealthy food. In life, the food that you never liked, no, you start liking that kind of food. Junk food नहीं खाते थे तुम आप. You used to say no, not to your near and dearest one. लेकिन today you are saying चलो उसी को खाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा होता है. Your attitude toward that, craving toward that food has increased now many food. Sleep issues, too much or too little, which I talked in anxiety also, I think it's clear. Loss of interest in the fun activities. Like I said in the anxiety, don't know how to relax. So fun activities are there. Say for example, the comedy shows are coming and you don't liking it, you don't have any interest, you don't feel like seeing it. So these are some symptoms. It's again checklist for you to find out that depression stage may have come. No checklist, like I give you a checklist of 6 points in the case of anxiety. Here I'm going to checklist. Depressed mood or irritability most of the day, nearly every day you experience. Or decreased interest in most activities most of the day. That decreased interest in most activity most of the day. Significant weight loss 5%, or change in appetite you find. Change in sleep patterns. Earlier you used to sleep at 11 p.m. Now you sleep at 9 p.m. Sometime at 1 a.m. Sometime at 2 a.m. So sleep pattern has changed from sadness to extreme calmness or appearing to be too happy. You start, all of a sudden you're sitting, you find you are sitting and someone is sitting very cool and quiet, totally calm. थोड़ी देर के बाद start laughing, start bubbling with that energy. So that's, if these are the things you experience every day, this is symptoms of the depression. I hope I'm clear explaining the symptoms. No, the question is not symptom. I know the need will be how to go for the coping mechanisms for this. Now, how to cope with anxiety? The first, foremost, with folded hand, I'm telling you, I've been telling, I will give you the link on my YouTube channel also. You will go to my YouTube channel, some of you must have seen, and these days I've given a lot of videos on that. And first point, often I talk over there, stop watching news all the time. छोड़ दीजिए सारा दिन, मत वॉच कीजिए लोग न्यूज को, सुबह शाम रात को वही न्यूज हर एक चैनल में. Stop watching. Watch news maybe 10-15 days. I'm not against media. Watch news for 10-15 days, maybe in the afternoon also, maybe in the night also. Night also definitely not before sleep. Not 1 hour, 2 hours before sleep. Stop it. That time. So stop watching news all the time. Read only from reliable sources. ये जो हमारे हाथ में मोबाइल फोन है उसके अंदर जो व्हाट्सएप है, I'm sure you must be getting 200 to 300, maybe 400 messages every day. I tell you, more than 80% messages are fake messages. More than 80% messages are fake messages. So please read only from the reliable source. There are government websites, there are university websites. Read from there. That will give you authenticated information. Stop it, because this is nothing adding in your anxiety level. Okay, which I've discussed. Practice breathing exercises. Inhale, exhale, whatever, way. But one thing, be careful. I'm saying breathing exercises over here, breathing experiences. When I say experience, I'm talking of, I'm not asking. When I say experience exercise, then I'm saying to plan it at least twice in a day, half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening. But please, if after 5 or 10 minutes you find it very difficult to continue with the breathing exercise, stop it. Don't do self-injury. Self-injury is very bad thing. 2 मिनट 5 कोई बात नहीं, आज 10 मिनट में खत्म कीजिए, कल 12 मिनट होंगे, 14 मिनट होंगे. Slowly raise this level. Okay. And fourth one, mindfulness, reorientation your thinking pattern. So mindfulness is a good exercise. There are good programs on that. You can read on the Google also. And I know there are a couple of webinars have been going on. You must have heard it. Mindfulness is another. By the process of mindfulness, basically you're reorienting your thinking pattern, taking thinking pattern from the anxiety-driven to the normal condition of positive mental health. Changing from negativity to positivity. Eat well-balanced food is the fifth coping mechanism to cope with the anxiety. Do progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive, not the muscle relaxation. Progressive में धीरे इसका difficulty level को ऊपर करते जाइएगा. Breathing कर रहे हैं, normal कीजिए, उसको बढ़ाते जाइए धीरे progressively take it. Talk to friends and family. Yes, strength social network is very important. We have been working since last 2.5 months. I've created my own group. The name of the group is Social Vibration. The Social Vibration, I make it a point. Every member will call 10 friends, 10 known people during the day. and talk with them, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you can or he or she can afford, but will not talk anything about the crisis or the COVID-19. Talk maybe some film, some food, anything you talk, some game, some comedy show, and out of the 10 people, if you can identify 2 people or 1 or 2 people that with whom you have not talked for last 2 months or 3 months or 2 years or 3 years, that would be great. And that gives us such a strong, make us such a social strong network. Let me tell you example. My name has been given by, some of you must have seen by Times of India and in Nabbar, in the national newspaper, as a psychologist to do the free counseling available from me. It's a Monday and Wednesday. So one day I got a call from someone from Nagpur, and the person was under a lot of stress, he wanted to talk. He talked with me for about half an hour. I also listened to him, I told him one thing. I said, next 3 days, I'm too busy. I will not be in a position to call you or talk to you, though I would like to talk every day, looking your problem. But one request I want to make you, kindly, from today onward, kindly call 10 people in the morning or afternoon, whatever time. And please, again, I told, talk 1 or 2 people with whom you are not talk. And just उनसे बात कीजिए, कुछ भी बात कीजिए, लेकिन कोविड-19 ये जो हो रहा है पेंडेमिक, इसके बारे में बात मत कीजिए. मैं फिर संडे को आपको कॉल करूंगा और then I will give you half an hour, we'll talk. And believe me, third day, on Saturday morning, I got a call from him. The moment call, मैं एक वेबिनार में था, मैंने उठा लिया फोन, मैंने उनको कहा कि देखिए मैंने आपको संडे में कॉल करूँ, मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ, अभी भी एक टॉक में हूँ. तो दी फेलो से, डॉक्टर साहब मुझे याद है संडे के लिए आपने कहा था, लेकिन मैं आपको ये बताने के लिए फोन किया कि मुझे कॉल मत कीजिएगा. आपकी वो इंटरवेंशन इतनी काम मेरे की कि मैं आपको बता नहीं, आई एम सो हैप्पी. और 3 मेरे बचपन के जो क्लासमेट थे स्कूल के, ही वाज 68 ईयर ओल्ड मैन, इसी जो स्कूल के क्लासमेट थे, उनसे भी मेरी बात हो गई. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कभी उनसे मेरी बात भी हो गई. आई जस्ट वांट टू से थैंक, दैट्स इट, आई एम सॉरी आई हैव डिस्टर्ब्ड यू, नो नीड टू टॉक. I thought that's great, but anyway, you can talk. So this is very good strategy. You believe me, if you do it, you'll find a big change in your mental health. This one will help you a lot. Next, learn and recognize what trigger anxiety and elevating it. कौन सी चीज आपको immediately irritate करती है, कौन सी trigger करती है, उसको ध्यान दीजिए, उसको recognize कीजिए. And when you recognize it, that there is alertness is come that will help you to overcome that anxiety. Stop smoking and caffeine if you smoke. During the day, if you otherwise smoke, go ahead. I'm not saying. I say don't take caffeine drink. If you have those symptoms, the 15 symptoms of anxiety which I've shared with you. Spend time with family. So it's the opportunity, take it as an opportunity, not as a punishment. Spend some time with your family. Sit with them, talk with them, eat with them together. Enough. मैंने भी यही काम किया. सुबह 8 बजे घर से निकलता था, रात को 9 बजे पहुंचता था. टाइम ही नहीं मिलता था, ब्रेकफास्ट भी करने का नहीं मिलता, वो भी लेकर के गाड़ी में लेकर ड्राइवर चलाता था, गाड़ी में खाता था. लेकिन नो, इट्स टाइम टू टेक द एडवांटेज दैट. बिफोर गोइंग टू स्लीप, नेक्स्ट वन, बिफोर गोइंग टू स्लीप और गो टू बेड व्हेन रियली यू फील लाइक स्लीपिंग, प्लीज डोंट गो टू द बेड. बेड इज मेंट टू स्लीप. आई होप यू एग्री. बेड सोने के लिए बना, ना कि उस पर बैठकर खाना खाने के लिए, उसको बैठकर टेलीविजन देखने के लिए, उसको बैठकर लूडो खेलने के लिए, उसको बैठकर बच्चे से टॉय खेलेंगे, उसके लिए बेड नहीं. बेड सोने के लिए. और बेड पर कब जाइए? व्हेन रियली यू फील लाइक स्लीपिंग, आपको नींद आने लगे. यू मेंटली यू प्लान, नो टाइम फॉर मी टू गो टू स्लीप. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, आप बेड पर चले जाएंगे, 1 घंटा उसके ऊपर करवटे लेंगे इधर से उधर, बिकॉज अभी आपका टाइम नहीं था. अभी आपकी वो बेल थी होने की नहीं बजी थी, उस पर टाइम था. डिप्रेशन, हाउ टू अवॉइड डिप्रेशन? मेक क्लियर डेली रूटीन लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू वर्क. आप घर में हैं, इसका मतलब थोड़ी आपका काम खत्म हो गया, आपकी क्लास नहीं खत्म हुई, आप एग्जामिनेशन भी कर रहे हैं, असाइनमेंट भी वैल्यूड कर रहे हैं. पहले आप कॉलेज में जाके करते थे, अब आप काम कर रहे हैं घर में. योर ऑफिस हैज मूव्ड ओनली, योर फिजिकली ऑफिस इज देयर, but no, you have moved your office in your house. Like I brought all my friends in my drawing room on my laptop. Zoom के रूम पर लैपटॉप के ऊपर बैठकर मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. पहले मुझे आपके पास जाना पड़ता था, आपको मेरे पास आना पड़ता था. तो इट्स सेम थिंग. ऐसे मेक क्लियर डेली, जैसे आप पहले करते थे, प्लीज डोंट स्टॉप इट. अगर सुबह 8 बजे निकलते थे, 9 बजे निकलते थे, 10 बजे ये करते थे, 11 बजे, जो उस रूटीन को मेंटेन रखिए. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. In a sense, I'm saying to make to-do list, what to be done during the day. Okay? Make clear a daily routine like you have been going to work. Physical activity, exercise, at least twice a day, which I told earlier, twice a day. Exercise. If I say physical activity means जब भी मन आ गया, जब ध्यान कर लिया उसमें कर लेना ना, वो एक्टिविटी है, वो तो कैजुअल होती है. मैंने क्या, मैं आपको कर प्लान, आज सुबह प्लान कर लीजिए, 11 से 12 कर लीजिए, 7 से 8, जो भी टाइम आप प्लान इट मॉर्निंग एंड इन द इवनिंग, एंड मैक्सिमम इफ यू कैन स्ट्रेच दैट टू दी half an hour twice in a day, half an hour. Maintain a positive attitude, bring optimism. You can bring optimism. How you can bring? At the end, my last two slides, I will give very simple mantra. I hope you will like it. So maintain a positive attitude, bring optimism. Next one, catching with friends at least 10 every day, which I told you earlier also. Catching with friends, talk with them. I need not explain this now. Okay. Then sit or talk with trustworthy people. Identify who are the trustworthy people. Talk with them. Ask your friends, family members to share something good. Bring positivism. Something good they should share with you, or you share with them. Not this sad incident. अपनी लाइफ को आप इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करेंगे, आपको लाइफ में तो बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट ऐसे मिलेंगे जो रियली इंजॉयबल होंगे. आपको ये भी याद होगा बचपन में प्राइमरी स्कूल में किस टीचर का कितना मजाक किया था आपने, उसकी चोटी पर कैसे किया था मजाक, क्या हुआ था, उसको आपको पनिशमेंट मिली थी. दैट्स अ फन मोमेंट, यू नो. शेयर एंड टॉक विद द फैमिली मेंबर. दैट रियली विल गिव, टेक यू आउट. यू हैव टू ब्रिंग आउट, यू हैव टू वर्क टू कम आउट. Visualize and share happy moments from your past. Maybe a romantic relationship. वो क्लास में लड़की कितनी अच्छी लगती थी ना अच्छी, उसके बाल कितने लंबे थे, बाय गॉड, उसे बैठ के उसे लेग तक लीजिए, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, ठीक है, नथिंग रॉन्ग, जस्ट लव की वो भी दिन थे. और सामने एक लड़का आ जाता, देख के बात नहीं कर पाती थी मैं, शर्माती थी, भाग जाती थी. दोज वर द मोमेंट्स यू शेयर. क्या क्या किया पास के अंदर, कहाँ कहाँ बैठ कर मस्ती की, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है लाइफ के अंदर, उसको मत छोड़िएगा. तभी तो होता है केवल बचपन के स्कूल क्लासमेट से मिलने के बाद वो पुरानी बातें याद होती है, हम तो करते हैं. यू नो, आई डू, आई हैव माय ओन सर्कल ऑफ वेयर आई हैव ब्यूरोक्रेट, जुडिशरी पीपल, ऑल डिफरेंट वॉक. वी टॉक. यार बच्चों ने करते थे, जब जुबली हॉल में थे, जुबली हॉल की रात को दीवार फांद कर हम केएम कॉलेज के पीछे से, अब तो बंद हो गया सब, कमला नगर आ जाते थे रात को 1 बजे चाय पीने के लिए फांद कर, और लाइट कमरे की ऑन रहती थी. दोस्त समझते थे कि ये पूरी रात पड़ रहा है, जब पढ़ नहीं तो हम कमला नगर में चाय पी लो. तो दे वर फन मोमेंट्स थे, किया वो भी, मस्ती भी की, पढ़ाई भी की, सब कुछ. टॉक विद देम. देन टॉक विद पीपल विद whom you have not talked since long. Talk with those people with whom you have not talked since a long time. Find out. You can. I hope these hoping how you can avoid your depression will help you. In next, I will move to very important bit, largely clip in the depression in life is boredom. And here are my cues to you. 6 cues I want to give you. 5 cues I want to give you how you can overcome your boredom. That is, don't be lazy. Dress yourself properly. सारा दिन कुर्ता पजामा डाल के मत बैठिएगा, नाइटी डाल के मत बैठिएगा. जैसे डेली रूटीन में मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे आप करते थे, ऐसी तरह ड्रेस किए. ड्रेस योरसेल्फ प्रॉपर्ली इन अ प्रॉपर वे. I keep it, you know, in my house also. I keep pen also in my pocket. मुझे पता आज मैं कल मैं पेन से कुछ नहीं लिख रहा, तभी कुछ आई एम डूइंग ऑन दी virtual basically और typing it on my laptop, but still keep it because पेन के बिना कभी मैं गया नहीं लाइफ के अंदर. कॉलेज स्टूडेंट था, टीचर बना, जब भी किया मैंने पेन हाथ में रखा. So I keep it myself. I feel I schedule your day. I talk that will help you schedule it. And scheduling, then divide the scheduling of the activity of the day into three categories. The activity which do not require much of your attention and time. The activity which require your, I know I'm running short of time, I will let us do it faster. Running, I want to leave some question for time for question. Schedule your day. We divide the activity into three parts. जिसमें टाइम ज्यादा नहीं लगे. Suppose there are 20 activities to be done in a day. You make to-do list, 20 activities. There are 8 which do not require much of your time. Maybe half an hour. So सबसे पहले उनको कीजिएगा. इसलिए 20 में जब 8 कर लेंगे तो 8 आपकी लिस्ट में से डिलीट हो चुकी होंगी. तो आपको एक साइकोलॉजिकल सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगी, मोटिवेशन अंदर से मिलेगा. ओह यार 20 थी, 20 में 8 तो खत्म हुई, 12 रही है. Then other which require little attention and other which require much more attention, concentration. All the activities do not require all attention and concentration. You agree with me? So accordingly, जो टाइम जिसके अंदर कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं है, फैमिली के अंदर the members are taking nap or just busy somewhere else, you can concentrate. So put those most difficult. Otherwise, आप एक difficulty activity उठा ली, तो उसी के 2-4-5 घंटे आपके चले जाएंगे, और बाद में लगेगा वो 20 में से आज तो 2 ही हुई, आज तो हुई नहीं. So that will bring stress in you. I hope I'm clear. Teach your skills to others. जो कुछ आपने लर्न किया, my request to you, my friend, kindly teach that skill. It's very, very important. Teach that skill to others. At these days, जो कुछ virtual मैं कर रहा हूँ, आप भी कर रहे हैं, इन चीजों के बारे में पीछे 5 साल से सोच रहा था, पर कभी टाइम नहीं मिला. दुनिया भर के जूम प्लेटफॉर्म हो, गो टू मीटिंग हो, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हो, मतलब जस्ट नेम है. अभी सारे सीख लिए मैंने. अब मैं पूछते नहीं हूँ किसी से, और सीखे नहीं मैंने इसको जब सीखा, सीखने के बाद 2 लोगों को पकड़ा भी उनको. मैं कहा तुम्हें आता है ऐसे कैसे करना है, ये कैसे कर, नहीं आता. नहीं मुझे नहीं आता, मुश्किल होगा. मैं कहा नहीं मुश्किल हो तो बैठो, तो अपना खोल के बैठो, मैं बताता हूँ तुम्हें फोन पर कैसे. आई टोल्ड देम. तो मैंने भी ऐसे लर्न किया. आज अगर कि मुझे डॉक्टर झा कहते मुझे ये चीज आ रही, तो मैं को डॉक्टर झा अच्छा यार मुझे नहीं आती, बताओ ना मुझे भी. इसे टेक दैट. So teach that your skills to others. Learn new skills. Every time try to learn new skills. No. Recently I learned, you will be surprised, I asked one professor of IT in Manav Rachna. I said, I want to learn how to go live on the Facebook along with my PPTs. She says, "Chika sir, I will tell you." Hello? I said, no problem. If you will tell me, very kind of you, but one thing is that you have to consider me a 6th standard student. She said, how it's possible, you are my boss? I said, then don't teach me. Unless you consider me a student, then and then only you teach me. और 6th standard का मतलब मेरी कैपेसिटी उतनी नहीं है जो 12th स्टैंडर्ड जो MA वाले या PhD वाले की होगी. She agreed, then she taught me. जब उसने थोड़ा 5-7 स्टेप्स हुए, मैं कहा स्टॉप कर दो, आगे मत जाओ. सर क्यों? मैं 6th स्टैंडर्ड का हूँ, मैं यहीं तक कंज्यूम कर सकता हूँ. अब कल नेक्स्ट लेसन लूंगा, आज नहीं लूंगा नेक्स्ट लेसन, पहले प्रैक्टिस तो करके देख लूं. आई लर्न दिस वे. तो इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ लर्न न्यू स्किल. जब आप लर्निंग न्यू स्किल करें, कंसीडर यू आर ए स्टूडेंट. बी हम्बल, लिटरली दैट यू एंजॉयड लर्निंग. डोंट थिंक यू आर ए प्रोफेसर, यू आर ए प्रिंसिपल, यू आर ए HOD in your department. That's okay. Now this is another issue. I will take another 2-3 minutes quickly. I will move. This is very poor. Lot of complaints I'm getting. People are taking counseling. They're finding lot of sleep disturbances. Few points which I want to give to you, that avoid taking carbonated drinks if your sleep disturbances over and under. Don't take nap during the day. Day not meant to take nap. Day is meant to work. So don't take nap during the day. Take warm milk, maybe half a cup. It will help you soothing before your sleep. Use bed only when to sleep and not for other purposes like I told earlier, like eating, having tea, coffee, etc., watching TV. Use bed only for that purpose. Avoid caffeine after 6 p.m. You go to bed at 9 p.m. It's recommended that don't take any caffeine if you are under anxiety, stress, or depression 3 hours before going to bed. If you go to bed at 12, at 9, don't take any caffeine after 9 p.m. 30-minute physical exercise twice a day. I would say stop watching phone 1 hour before sleep. फोन को छोड़ दीजिए 1 आवर सोने से पहले. फोन वहीं रहेगा, साइलेंट पर छोड़ दीजिएगा. मैसेज आएंगे वहीं रहेंगे. सुबह उठेंगे, सुबह देख लेंगे, tomorrow again बढ़िया दिन आएगा. ठीक है? Don't take it. Just stop it. Be kind to yourself and don't put yourself down. Don't put yourself down. Be kind to. Don't be enemy of yours. Keep in mind. Stay positive. Remain calm. Plan ahead. Anything. Identify one skill which you want to develop over the period. Shift your focus from self to other. जो मैंने कहा skill सीखा, अब skill दूसरे लोगों को देने का time आ गया. So there are few commandments what are made which might be helpful. These commandments which I'm going to show you is direction to keep you positive, how you can shift from the negativity to positivity. These are self-confident people are generally daring and often take risks. Self-confident people are mostly daring and take off a risk. Creative people tend to get bored very fast. Love people and you will get love fast. It will come back to you. More we hear something, the more we think it is true. Avoid it. More we hear something, the more we think it is true. No, please avoid this. The person who cannot cry is a weak personality. So cry is a positive sign in that fashion. People who believe in showing off are generally fools. More than 80% of the conversation is gossip, but I told you in your WhatsApp, 80% messages are fake messages, not authenticated messages. This I'm not saying they are internationally diagnosed by the AP American Psychology Association. I'm giving the fundamentals of shifting yourself from negativity to positivity. I've added my last 2 slides. Schedule your day, eliminate meaningless syndrome from your mind, and you will shine. You will shine. Helping people with a positive mindset will take you to the top. Helping people with positive mindset will really will take you to the top. जैसे पहाड़ के ऊपर से खड़े होकर नीचे गिरने वाले को खींचकर ऊपर उठाते हैं, जब वो उसको खींचकर ऊपर लाते हैं तो आप नीचे नहीं जाते, आप उससे भी और ऊपर चले जाते. So that's the so think positive fashion. This is a good question. Stop asking question. Can I do it? हम पूछते रहते हैं अपने आप को, Can I do it? कर सकता हूँ? No. These are my this and next slides are very important for you. You shift this question from your mind. You say, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. That means, can I do it? I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. मुझे पता है कुछ लोग आप में से सोच रहे होंगे, what joke I am doing. कैसे होगा पॉसिबल? मुझे कहानी याद आ रही थोड़ी सी, मैं 1 मिनट में बताता हूँ आपको. रामायण में आपने पढ़ी होगी, वाल्मीकि जो थे, वाल्मीकि की बात जो नॉट है, कोई साधु संत महात्मा नहीं थे, वो एक डाकू थे. एक दिन एक ऋषि से मिले, ऋषि ने उनको ट्रांसफॉर्म करने की कोशिश की. उन्होंने ही फाइंड समथिंग गुड इन दिस पर्सन, यू नो. इसे कहा तुम भगवान राम की भक्ति करो और रामायण विल बी रिटन बाय यू, the epic, which will be a source book for the humanity. उसे कहते हो राम का मंत्र करो. तो साधु ने वाल्मीकि को कहा, बोलो राम. वाल्मीकि कहता मरा. उसे कहा नहीं, मरा नहीं, कहो राम. वाल्मीकि ने फिर कहा मरा. उसे कहा नहीं, राम. उसे कहा मरा. साधु ने 1 मिनट सोचने के बाद कहा, अच्छा ऐसे करो, तुम इसी को मरा को रिपीट करते रहो कंटिन्यू, ये मंत्र लेकर चलो. बोलो मैं सुनता हूं, बोलो तुम इसी को रिपीट करो. साधु ने कहा राम, वाल्मीकि ने मरा. गो एंड से मरा 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 मरा. आई होप यू गॉट द मीनिंग. मरा अपने आप राम में शिफ्ट हो गया. सिमिलरली can I do, shift it to I can do, I cannot do, then you will reach to the stage of I will do it. I will do it. This positivity will bring you. You'll find a change. I will suggest people, I said to my clients, I just take 10 times in the morning when you get up, 10 times before you go into sleep. Just repeat 10 times. Take it as a mechanic. You are not going to lose anything if you're not going to gain. जैसे कई बार कुछ चीज खाने से हम कहते हैं चलो इसका नुकसान इस दवाई का आयुर्वेदिक का चलो होम्योपैथी का अगर फायदा नहीं है नुकसान तो नहीं होगा उसी फैशन में लीजिए इसको and you will find it. I promise you find it. And here I would like to share with you my YouTube channel, and you can go to the link. You can find every second Thursday we are putting a lot of psychologists speak panel discussion on this on various issues. Many of the issues these days we have taken on the online examinations also, the student concern, the faculty concern, homemakers problem, the senior citizen problem which are coming due to lockdown, how to overcome the issues. So here with this, I will stop it over here. I'll leave some time for you to ask. I hope it will be useful, some question to ask.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening lecture and presentation. It will be really useful for all of us, sir. Sir, before ending, we'll take up questions now, both from the Facebook as well as the Zoom chat. So,
okay.
The first question is, this is from Arpita Kaul. People use substance abuse to deal with anxiety. How to do away with it?
There are substance abuse. You see, what you are doing with substance abuse, this is no way going to help you in your mental health problem, whether anxiety or depression, or stress, what you call. It's just you are trying to suppress your thinking process for the time being. But this will give you relief only for half an hour or 1 hour, but not at a longitudinal level, So henceforth, substance, if you today you are taking substance as a, that is the reason आपने देखा कई बार हम कहते हैं कोई डॉक्टर भी आपको कहते हैं कि मेडिसिन को अगर इवन स्लीपिंग टेबलेट को कंटिन्यूसली लेना शुरू कर देंगे तो आपकी बॉडी उसको एक्सेप्ट करना बंद कर देगी उसका इफेक्ट आपके पास खत्म हो जाएगा उस चीज का तो उसकी अपनी रिपरकशन जो होगी वो दैट विल बी मच मोर सो you have to undergo, you have to see a person who is taking a substance, what kind of substance, what intensity of substance he is taking, and there is a mechanism by which the person need to undergo first. We need to study psychologically. I don't know whether that Pata is asking from the angle of some client in her mind. She might be knowing someone from that angle, but then need to understand the case history, the family history from its originating, and also see whether the person has tried to make any attempt to overcome this, and the attitude. Substance abuse में बहुत सारे ये देखने में बहुत मिला. There is a 80 to 90% relapse. Relapse कब होता है जब family member उसको mistrust करते हैं. The person has stopped it. But suppose every day he had been coming at 6 p.m. back. He has stopped it. He has go to de-addiction also. And एक दिन वो 8 बजे आ गया 6 की जगह आते family member ये बहुत डाटा हमारे पास है जो इंपेरिकली उसकी फाइंडिंग है कि 8 बजे आया तो आते सबसे पहले घर वाले मेंबर क्या करते हैं उसके मुंह के पास जाकर उसको सूंघते हैं कि उसे लिया तो नहीं कुछ अगर उसको स्मेल में कुछ नहीं आएगा तो कहेंगे तूने लिया तो होगा लगता कुछ खा के आया ताकि हमें पता ना लगे इसे मॉम डैड नो आई एम नॉट टेकन नो प्लीज नहीं तू झूठ बोल रहा है दैट मीन्स व्हाट यू आर डूइंग यू आर शोइंग ए मिसट्रस्ट ऑन हिम एंड अंडर प्रोटेस्ट this is large number of cases of the relapse under this category. I hope I could answer.
Sir, the next question is from Kamya. How to know when normal anxiety has transformed into anxiety disorder?
I give you checklist. It's happening every day. Keep that my model of fit in your mind, FIT, frequency, intensity, and time. It's every day, and time is also increasing. That means, no, it is getting crystallized. It was normal anxiety level, which comes to the worry. And here, if with 15 symptoms, you find 8, 9, 10 symptoms, very common in you. You require say intervention to the coping mechanism. You can do yourself. I've given the coping mechanism, but you can manage yourself. You don't require anyone's professional help. But definitely, if you're acute or crystallized, then you need a intervention from that angle. But avoid, again I'm saying, you can go to the drug store these days. India is a beautiful country. यहाँ ड्रग स्टोर में जाकर आप कोई मेडिसिन ले लीजिए, डॉक्टर के पास जाने की नीड ही नहीं है. द केमिस्ट विल टेल यू ऑल मेडिसिन. आप प्रॉब्लम चाहिए वो निकाल के मेडिसिन दे देगा आपको. लेकिन प्लीज डोंट हुक टू द मेडिसिन. मेडिसिन इज नॉट द आंसर. मेडिसिन आएगा बिल्कुल एंड, जब आपका एंजाइटी इतना आ जाएगा जिसके अंदर अग्रेशन ऑफ ब्रेकिंग ऑफ द थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट टर्निंग अप, देन यू रिक्वायर दैट. तो उसे मेडिसिन का पर्पस सिर्फ सप्रेस करने के लिए. साइकोथेरेपी तरीके से CBT, cognitive behavior therapy technique is a very good technique to help it out to how to come, which we use for most of the time with the clients.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So the next question is from Dr. Rashmi Behel. 3 symptoms of anxiety: sweating, shortness of breath, and chest pain are also symptoms of heart attack. How can we differentiate between them?
You know, again I'm saying, if it's happening suddenly, it never happens. It's not going slowly. If it's slowly, it's anxiety. It's happening suddenly, immediately happening. You know, there was no history of that. Then it's a symptom of heart attack. You need to check from that angle. Relax that time, and there you need definitely a medical doctor, your own doctor.
Thank you, sir.
But मन से निकाल दीजिए. आप अगर सोचेंगे हार्ट अटैक है, आई टेल यू हार्ट अटैक में चला जाएगा. हाँ, ये एंजाइटी है, इसको मेरे में ताकत है, मैं ला सकता हूँ. आपको वो पॉजिटिविटी लानी है. नेगेटिव को मैं दूर करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ थ्रू माय लेक्चर के अंदर. आई होप रश्मि आई एम क्लियर. मत सोचिए हार्ट अटैक है. आप सोचेंगे हार्ट अटैक है, प्लीज मत सोचिए. और आपको इतना स्वेटिंग, इतना पेन आ रही है, ऑब्वियसली उसको आप आ रही है तो उस पर इग्नोर नहीं करेंगे ना. आप पहले उसको सोच पाएंगे ये पेन आ गई, बढ़ तो नहीं जाएगी, बढ़ेगी ना. इट विल इंक्रीज. आई टेल यू, आप कुछ भी करके देख लीजिए. दिस इज नथिंग बट ए काइंड ऑफ, जो बच्चों में आमतौर पर कॉमन होती है, साइकोसोमैटिक. बच्चे बहुत कम एक साइकोसोमैटिक इलनेस होती है कि वो स्कूल का काम नहीं किया तो उसे कहा मम्मी को पेट में दर्द है, मम्मी ने कहा स्कूल ना जा बेटा, छुट्टी करवा दी. तो उसको 2-3 बार हैपनिंग हुआ, उसको लगा कि हाँ ये अच्छा मेथड है अवॉइड करने का. तो देन द चाइल्ड स्टार्ट एक्सपीरियंस. फिर 4 टाइम बच्चा झूठ नहीं बोल रहा, उसको एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है. साइकोलॉजी स्टार्ट एक्सपीरियंसिंग इट. दैट इज साइकोसोमैटिक. आई होप आई मेड माय पॉइंट क्लियर.
Thank you, sir. Sir, there is another question which is related to this by Mr. Pradeep Kumar. I am feeling a mild pain on left side of my chest.
On? Okay.
Left side of my chest. Is it a symptom of anxiety or anything else?
It's a very mild, it's coming and going, and maybe coming. It's a persistent for every day is coming, or some specific time of the coming. Then I think you need to go to the medical doctor, get it checked. You know, if it's not, it's happening mild symptom on the left side. It could be muscular pain also. You know. Muscle maybe you have moved some, you done exercise. जैसे मैं एक्सरसाइज की बात कर रहा था, प्रोग्रेसिव कीजिए एक्सरसाइज. जैसे वॉकिंग भी करें. आजकल लोग मुझे कहते हैं हम एक्सरसाइज कैसे करें डॉक्टर साहब. मैं कहता हूँ वॉक करो. वो कहते हैं कैसे वॉक करो. तो मैंने कहा स्टैंडर्ड मेथड क्या. स्टैंडर्ड मेथड है यू शुड टेक 10,000 स्टेप इन ए डे. आप घर के अंदर कर लीजिए. ये गार्डन में जा नहीं सकता, जिम जा नहीं सकता, घर में कर लीजिए. घर में कैसे कर लेंगे. घर में आपका 5 बाई 10 फुट का रूम होगा ना, 10 बाई 10 फुट के रूम में कर लीजिए. लेकिन प्रोग्रेसिव कीजिए, छोटे स्टेप लीजिए. यू गेटिंग मी. स्मॉल स्टेप, छोटे स्टेप लीजिए, फिर उस स्टेप्स को बढ़ाते जाइए. ओके, जैसे स्टेयरकेस में चल रहे हैं. एंड यू कैन सी द वॉच ऑन माय this. You think the watch is for time? No, this watch is not for time. It give me time, but this watch will tell me how many steps I have taken during the day. अब मैं ये देखता हूँ कि आज मैंने 8,000 स्टेप लिए, रात को 10 बजे देखा तो 8,000 हुए, आज तो 2,000 कम हो गए. कोई बात नहीं, अपने कमरे में ही आई विल मूव लाइक दिस टिल आई कंप्लीट 10,000 स्टेप. इतना तो कर सकता हूँ मैं. दिस इज फ्रॉम दैट एंगल. दिस इज इंडिकेशन. दिस इज नॉट ए गुड टाइम. बट टाइम तो आजकल हमारी मोबाइल फोन में, वहीं से देख लेते हैं हमको. और घर में है, और जो ऑफिस के अंदर सामने क्लॉक हैंग कर रहा होता है. ओके, सो दीज आर द थिंग्स बाय व्हिच मतलब he should not be worried, you know, but it's a persistent अगर आ रहा है तो तब कहिए कि तब डॉक्टर के पास जाकर थोड़ा सा उसको दे। और अगर वो कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म 2-3 दिन करके देखिए, उससे अगर वो चला जाता है, उसकी इंटेंसिटी भी कम हो जाती है, तो फिर वो मस्कुलर था, आपने मस्कुलर मूवमेंट किया जिसके कारण आपको हो गया। होता है, हमारे साथ भी होता है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं। मेरे साथ हम तो I throw it like this, believe me, I throw it like this, it will go, it goes, you know.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable advice. Now, the next question is, can stress and depression be reduced without medication?
Yes, I've given you techniques. Yes, I've given you coping methods. I'm not referred as a medicine. I'm not going to refer it. I'm against medicine. You believe me? If I tell my audience, you know, you can make my name from face, you know, but when I told you I retired from Delhi, she definitely retired at 65, you know, and I'm at this moment 69. And I tell you, if I start calculating, I remember from my age of 3 or 4, how many times I went to the hospital or medicine or doctor. If I start calculating, you believe me, I think I have not spent more than 5,000 rupees or 6,000 rupees in my entire 65 years of my age, starting from the age of 3rd up to 6th. Not 5. I don't take medicine. I don't think. I go by naturopath method. So it's up to you. There are people, you know, जब तक उनको दिन में 4 बारी 6 बारी मेडिसिन नहीं लेंगे, चपाती 2 खाएंगे, मेडिसिन 4 लेंगे उसके साथ, उससे पहले तो आगे पीछे. It depends on ये. This is your mind is very, very powerful. It can adjust to all circumstances. This is most power lies over here, and take advantage of this. This I want to tell. अगर गर्मी फील करेंगे तो गर्मी लगेगी. आप अपने बारे में सोचिए, अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछिए. उनके टाइम में हमारे घर में घरों में सिर्फ फैन थे. मैं दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में फैन में मई जून में काम करता था. कूलर नहीं थे मेरे पास, फिर कूलर आ गए, फिर एसी आ गया. आज यहां भी हम जाते हैं, आप और मैं जहां भी खोज के ले जाते हैं, सबसे पहले होटल में जाकर 2 चीजें देखते हैं. वॉशरूम देखते हैं और एसी देखते हैं काम कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा. तो जाके होटल का कमरा लेते हैं, ऑक्यूपाई करते हैं. बिकॉज अब एसी के बिना नहीं सो सकते हम. वही बॉडी है हमारी. इसका मतलब मैं बॉडी को अपने आप को उस तरह से ढाल लिया. Because all over here, so one should be prepared for that. Take advantage of this. This is my issue. Mindfulness, you have mindfulness that reorienting your thinking, you know, going from negativity to positivity. Not only कहने से नहीं, करने से. Can I do it? What stupid question we are asking to ourselves. अपने आप को क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ. Can I do it? Like, no, I'm asking a stupid question. I can do it. And I prove where I will do it. I will पे चला गया मैं. I hope I'm clear to Vinita.
Thank you, sir. Sir, the next question is, I can feel all this right now due to slow progression of my PhD submission and no job. And this COVID-19 has added fuel in fire. I have taken all this very seriously and packed myself in my own thoughts that I am not able to do anything productive. Is this very common, or what should I do?
It's very common, but at the same time, you have to understand to manage it also. Okay? The lockdown, if you say COVID-19 have taken away the job, it's very temporary phase. Everything will bounce back. It's not that. It's not going to bounce back. It will bounce back. And if you keep on thinking that I'm doing PhD, obviously some kind of anxiety will come when you are in the process of doing your PhD, you know. A lot of questions come in the mind at that time. Every one of us have undergone that. But then we overcome also, everyone. I know the most of the anxiety which is prevailing in my colleagues, which I feel very bad. There are 5,000 plus ad hoc teachers in Delhi University. I know what's going on. But that's not the end. Things will come. We need to understand. We need to learn. That's not my lecture. I've given already my lecture, you know. Maybe something you like. What is new age jobs? Because I'm an expert in career issues, you know. You have told already in my resume that there are different kind of jobs are going to come. These jobs are not going to stay as the teaching job will not be the same which it used to be. Let me tell you, after I think some of you start predicting. आज से पहले जब मूक्स आए थे, हम डूटा में बैठकर हमने खूब अपोजिशन किया. आज हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing? What the webinars we are doing it? This is not a kind of MOOCs. It's also kind of MOOCs. We have changes. We are thinking. I know online. We are going for online. Delhi Duta is protesting it. Some of the universities have adopted it also. I know the difficulty. What you're protesting, Duta protesting, very rightly protesting on that. Internet connectivity is a big challenge in this country. How many people? We have large in SOL, School Open Learning. There are 3 lakh students. Out of 3 lakh students, there are about 1 lakh students who are BPL category, below poverty level line. जिनके पास चप्पल तक नहीं है. आप उसको ऑनलाइन करने जाएंगे क्या? पहले आपको टेक्नोलॉजी को चलिए. That's a different issue. That's not the issue. But these issues I've talked in my. I love some of my friends who are listening. If you guys subscribe my channel, all these videos are over there. Online challenge, the homemaker challenge, the losing of consent. There is a beautiful videos, panel discussion. I'm moderator. I have 3 psychologists in every panel who are answering. Even your cybercrime, the POSO Act, all these issues we have talked. There are 44 videos in last about 1.5 months. I just uploaded over there. Friends, I will love if you see it. And not only see it, subscribe, tell your friend also, and give some comments also. Any issue you want, we should handle. And we will take that issue, put on the video for the friends.
So we'll take a couple of questions more. Actually, there are many questions.
Okay.
So this is from Shashi Shekhar. Is there any time duration when anxiety switches over to depression?
There's no specific time. There's nothing like it will switch from anxiety to depression. You know, through the anxiety, you will be going to the stress and burnout stage. That stage will come, and then finally will stage go to the depression. Depression that further lead to suicidal tendency, other kind of things. But if your anxiety, if you don't check anxiety at a level, then the possibility that it trigger to that level that slowly the body, the calmness, hopelessness will come. Say hopelessness will come, withdrawal will come from everything. When the withdrawal will come, then the symptoms of depression will come. And then if that continue, obviously, then you can't say it's the morning. It's not time of the day. It can happen, you know. It can, but it don't trigger shift very fast. It shifts very slowly over there. And in this case also, I've talked only mental health. I've not talked the physical health also. And then my friend is good. I just remember there is one beautiful video on that same channel by a Dr. Sanjay Badov. He's a professor in AIMS. You know, he's an expert in the area of physical health. He has given beautiful tips how you can maintain even lockdown time your physical health components of your must watch. That will help you. And physical and mental health both are linked. But physical health, dropping physical health, you can see it, you can visualize externally. But mental health, the person himself has his best touch, but others can also find out.
Thank you, sir. Sir, there is another question from Dr. Anthony Raj. How can we avoid the sleep-related illnesses?
What? Say it again.
Sleep-related illness.
Can he expand what he means by those illnesses? What illnesses?
Due to technology. Due to overuse of technology.
So the balance, you know, anything if you do overuse, anything you will do over is going to affect. It's not a counter technology, but make technology as a friendly instrument, not as an instrument you hook all the time. You hook to the technology, obviously it will create. It creates. There are a lot of physical health issues are created. There's a lot of bunch of material available on this also. But yes, it's a social distance. It's not an emotional distance. And this technology also helping us in maintaining our emotional distance. So we're reducing that. Socially we are part, but emotionally or mentally we are not a part. Mentally we are just across. But don't use technology. I know some people are telling me technology. इसे मैं अपनी मेरी वाइफ दूसरे कमरे में बैठी होती है, मैं इस कमरे में बैठा तो मैं यहीं से ना जूम करके उससे बात कर लेता हूँ. I said that's good. That's misuse of technology. But don't use that kind of technology. I hope you clear what I am trying to say. आपके घर के जो दूसरे रूम में बैठा छत पर फर्स्ट फ्लोर में, हम नीचे फ्लोर में, ऊपर 2 कदम आप एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगी आपकी, जब जाएंगे ऊपर। नहीं, आप यहीं से जूम से कॉल कर लेंगे। जूम से क्या बनाया आज किचन में, मैं देख लूँ, जूम से मैं देख लूँ। स्मार्टफोन पर मैंने जूम कॉल कर दिया, उसने दिखा दिया मुझे, मैंने आज देखिए ये बना रही हूँ आज, में देखिए। ओके, ओवर यूज से आई थिंक इट इज
Sir, we'll take the last question now. Is it justified to take alcohol and cigarette in moderation?
No. If you ask me, I would say don't take it at all, even in normal circumstances also. That's my answer. Your danger is moderate circumstances when you take, then you start increasing slowly. आप एक पैक, आधा पैक, उससे बड़ा पैक, उससे बड़ा 2, 3, 4 करते करते, then you find, then you never come to know when you fall into addiction category. फिर मॉर्निंग इवनिंग शाम को कोई रात का टाइम नहीं है कि सनसेट के बाद ही लेना आपने, फिर तो सन हम निकलेगा तब भी हम उसके साथ ही उठेंगे, चाहे बैटरी बाद में लेंगे, पहले पैक ले लेंगे उसके साथ। प्लीज डोंट डू इट इफ यू कैन अवॉइड इट। आई लव इट।
Thanks, sir, for your advice. We have got so many thank you messages like yesterday, today also. It is the best talk, mind-blowing session. And thank you so much, sir, for your very nice session, stimulating experience, and many, many more.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your precious time and the valuable time that you have given us. And this session is extremely useful for all of us, as all of us are facing stress and anxiety because of the pandemic of COVID-19. The lecture was very informative and insightful. We have learned a lot from it and will follow your suggestions, sir. Thank you, sir, for your time, valuable time that you have given us, sir.
Thank you, Vanita. Okay.
I also thank our principal for this continuous encouragement to hold such kind of webinars. Miss Anupriya, who coordinated with you, and this session was, sir, really wonderful. And my entire webinar team of Dr. Anju Bajaj, Dr. Raghavendra, Mr. Ravinder Pant, Miss Anupriya, Miss Baljeet, Mr. Manvendra, Dr. Amit Vishwakarma, and Dr. Abid Hussain. And without this team, nothing would have been possible. Thank you, sir, for your time.
Thank you, Vanessa. Thank you all the Dr. Jha and all the colleagues and friends and my listeners, friends. I hope it will be useful. If it is useful, my job is done. Thank you.